If you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face or voice, then this video is surely for you. You can make $14,000 per day on YouTube by using this niche. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube by simply re-uploading videos. Let's get started. We're going to do things a little differently for this video because a few people have said you talk too much, so I wanted to change it up just for this video to see if they like it a little better this way, but anyways for this video. Now step 1. Step 1 is to find the niche. I show you the luxury niches, which is very best niche. If I search luxury lifestyle on YouTube, then you can see that 2 million views, 6,000 plus views, 3 million views, 12 million views, and 1 million views. And you can see that there is millions of views in every videos. Now I can see you the first channel as VYBO, who makes luxury videos and earn money without showing his face and voice. And they got 391,000 subscribers. And you can see that their all videos is based on luxury and motivation. They make luxury videos and motivation videos. And this channel got 35,000 views on every videos. If we see their state in Social Blade, and you can see that their last 30 days views is more than 1 million plus views. And see their monthly estimate earning. Their monthly earning is $313 to $5,000, which is very huge in amount. And if we see their daily video views as 35,000, 45,000 and also 50,000 plus views on daily videos. Now we see second channel example as Billionaire Wolfgang, which got 37,000 plus subscribers. And they also make lifestyle videos and motivation videos. And you can see their every video views as 10,000 plus. If we see their stats on Social Blade, now you can see their last 30 days views as 175,000 plus views. And see their estimate monthly earning, and their daily estimate earning is $44 to $706, which is good. Now if we see their daily videos views, their daily videos views as 15,000 to 40,000 almost, which is good. You can also make better, and this if you work hard on this. Now step 2. Step 2 is to find the video. Now I see you some website where you can get free copyright videos. And now you can see the first website Pixabay. Now second website is Pexel. Now you can download any videos and images from there. You cannot get any copyright using this. Now step 3 is to find the audio. Go to the audio library of YouTube, and you can download any audio without any copyright claim or copyright strike. Now step 3 is to create a video. I recommended you the Filmora 10. Filmora is the very best software for YouTubers and you don't need very high species for this. Now last and final step 4. Step 4 is to upload a video with best and high keywords.